What's going on, guys? This is your boy Arthur and Bash here from the section. This video is going to be about our rebuild of the 330. Basically what it is, we're going to break down roughly what happened, why the car's in a state like this, run you through a few bits that we've got planned, and yeah. Yeah.
What the plan is over the next few months, I would say, in terms of this car and how we're gonna get it back on the road. And I think it'll be very interesting to bring you guys along the journey, because I know there's a lot of E46 fans in the UK, and this is probably, like you said, one of the very rare models of the
It's
get anywhere. So it'd be pretty interesting to bring you guys along with the journey.
Yes.
Tell us, like, what?
So the car is an E46 330 Ci. It's got an M54 B30 engine in it. In terms of modifications, it hasn't really got any mods like that. It's got a custom exhaust on it, a few little bits in the interior and stuff like that, but nothing really done to the engine. What happened with the car is someone else, who I'm not going to name names, drove it, and yeah, someone else drove it. There was a bit of an accident with Bash's car, which was involved, and yeah, both cars collided. But yeah, that's what caused this. Mainly damaged with this is the front subframe. All the cooling system's been damaged. The pulley's been damaged. Yeah, one of the headlights is gone. So basically, the main impact was on this side of the car.
First thing we need to do is pull out the frame, right?
Yeah, so the frame needs to be pulled out here. Is where the radiator support goes in. That's been bent off a bit, so it's not going on straight.
Once it's straight, we can do the rest of it ourselves, you said as well.
Yeah, 100%, yeah.
So we would say, right, if you guys know any garages that can help us out with the rebuild, make sure to comment down below so we can get involved with those same companies.
Yeah.
If you know anyone from our Instagram page, for example, tag them on our Instagram and they can chat to the company, make sure that we can get things moving. Because the first thing we need to do is really just pull the frame, as he said. Once the frame is pulled, we can get things moving, because it's a lot faster to get everything else done once we have that done.
Yeah, I think we're gonna need a new bonnet as well. I'm not sure like what we can do with this one, but
did you hear what he said? I think, bro, I think this bonnet is gone. It's in the graveyard.
Nah, we could do a little tutu something to it. So I'll have is that hopefully the engine's not been damaged anyway, because there is a bit of leaking from somewhere, but I think that's just from the hoses that have been disconnected. I wanted to keep it stock initially, but I'm thinking of getting a big turbo.
Big turbo? Big
turbo kit, yeah. I'm thinking either supercharger or turbo, but yeah, I was thinking that supercharger is not getting as much horsepower.
Let us know which one you think we should go for, supercharger or turbo kit.
Let us know what you guys think. In the interior, we've got two airbags that went off. You got the steering wheel one and the passenger's side of the dash. Yeah, the battery's gone completely dead. I don't know if the battery's damaged or what, but it's not starting at all. No power to it whatsoever. For now, all I've got is front radiator support for the car. Yeah, I need to get the front bumper, front arch, and the bonnet to get the front end realigned. But I'm pretty sure if you just realign this, as long as the radiator support slides on, it should be fine anyway.
As long as this and this lines up straight, you should be fine, innit?
Yeah. The engine's already done about 140,000 miles roughly. It's in good nick, there's not really any issues with it. Only thing I'm thinking is with the big turbo, I'm gonna have to change the internals and stuff and do a few extra bits. Went to a Boneyard Automotive and got his subframe done, yeah. They've done a really good job on Siv's car.
You haven't had your subframe done yet?
Nah, not yet, yeah. Yeah, especially if it's pushing more power, it definitely has to be done. Well, right now it's stock 231. The Vanos needs to be redone to get some of that horsepower back. And it's not really cosmetics that I want done to it, to be honest. It's mainly engine performance, a few extra bits, maybe change the rims. But apart from that, I want to keep it OEM.
As stock as possible.
Yeah, as stock as possible, yeah. I was thinking maybe a wide body kit, a Rocket Bunny kit, but if I was to do a Rocket Bunny, it would have to be on another car. I think this car is just,
nice
I just enjoy it as it is. You could admire it more. Yeah, it's lowered, it's on Tane springs, so it's been lowered. I might possibly get coilovers in the near future. We'll see. I've actually bought new suspension for it.
Oh shit.
And I was meant to fit it right before it got crashed, so lucky I didn't put that on. I think it's a custom back box and decat. That's what I was thinking. Either I go straight pipe and get flames like Siv's got. I've had new tires put on literally a week before. Literally got Michelin Pilot Sport 4s, yeah. Someone stole the mirror as well, yeah. See that? Yeah, but when this comes back, oh, I've got a few rust patches on the body panels here when you get those out. Thank you guys for watching this first episode of the 330ci rebuild video. Let us know in the comments down below who you guys think we should work with, that you know, that you've personally been to, that you guys think would be a good. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Now, if you guys aren't already following us, make sure to follow E46_A1 on Instagram, Bash Davidson, and behind the camera we have Ryu. Make sure to go down in the description and press follow on the Instagram page. It's called @the_section__. And if you haven't already, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. If you've got any companies that you think we should work with, as he said, make sure to comment it down below. If you go over to our Instagram and find the picture on this car, make sure to comment on that car. And if you haven't already, make sure you're subscribed, set the reminders, and we see you guys in the next video.